Chapter 7. Life in the Desert and the Central Plateau. The desert region begins from the west of the Aravalli Range and goes deep into Pakistan. It covers a major part of Rajasthan. The Central Plateau region consists of the region between the rivers Narmada and Krishna. The Malwa Plateau and the Chota Nagpur Plateau are part of the Central Plateau. Now we shall learn about the life of the people in these regions. The desert of Rajasthan. Rajasthan is divided into the eastern half and the western half by the Aravallis. Jaipur is the capital city of Rajasthan. Hindi and Rajasthani are the major language of the people of state. Caravan of camels. Life of the people. The life of the people is very hard in the western part of Rajasthan. It is a desert area. The scarcity of water also makes life tough. The most common means of transport in the desert region is the camel. It can move across the sand with its padded feet that do not sink deep into the sand. The camel can also go long distances without drinking water. Because of these special features, it is known as the sheep of the desert. Its milk and meat are served as food for the people. On the other hand, the life in the eastern part of Rajasthan is comparatively not so hard. It receives sufficient rainfall, which in turn feeds tanks, ponds and wells and promotes irrigation and agriculture. People in the desert often travel in groups. A group of people moving with a large number of camels is called a caravan. Occupations. Farming is the main occupation of the people of desert. But in the desert region, agriculture is practiced at low level. Crops like jowar, bajra, maize, wheat, gram, oilseeds, cotton, sugarcane, and tobacco are grown here. The Indira Gandhi Canal, which starts from the river Satluj, provides water to parts of the Thar Desert. These areas have now become green and the farmers grow variety of crops: textile, rugged and woolen goods, sugar, cement, glass and dye are the major industries in the state. The handicrafts of Rajasthan are famous all over the world. The other important occupation of the people is rearing camels and the cattle such as sheep and goats. People do not stay at one place. They keep on moving from place to place in search of pastures. Such people are called nomads. They sell milk and milk products to the people of an oasis. Some of the nomads are blacksmiths. They make iron articles such as tools, pans and pots. These nomads are called Godilia Luhar or Banjaras. Banjara family. Food and dress. The people of Rajasthan eat maize, jowar, wheat, bajra and pulses. India's biggest wheat farm is located in the Thar Desert region at Suratgarh near Ganganagar. Rajasthani people wear colorful clothes. The men wear dhoti, kurta and put colorful turbans on their heads. The women wear ghagra choli with chunri or odhni to cover the head. Rajasthani men and women. Fact box. Jaipur is called the city of 7 gates. Festivals. Rajasthani people celebrate the harvest festival, Gangaur and monsoon festival Teej with great joy. The Urs is celebrated at the tomb of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, a great Muslim Sufi saint in Ajmer. It attracts a large number of people from all over India. Places of interest. Many historical and tourist sites in these cities have great attraction. Jaipur, the capital city of Rajasthan, and other big towns have beautiful palaces, forts and temples. Other places of tourist interest are Mount Abu, Hawa Mahal and Bikaner. Hawa Mahal. Fact box. Jaipur is also called Pink City because most of the buildings in the old city are painted pink. The Central Plateau. The Central Plateau region is divided into two parts, the Malwa Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is located to the north of the Narmada Valley in Chhattisgarh. Bhopal, Indore and Gwalior are the major cities in this region. The people of this region speak Hindi. It is almost flat and known for its rich black soil. As the soil is fertile, many crops are grown in this region, particularly wheat, jowar and cotton. The famous Panna diamond mines are located in the Malwa Plateau in Chhattisgarh. The food and dress pattern of the people of the Malwa Plateau are almost similar to those of the people of Gangetic Plain. The Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is located to the east of the Narmada Valley. Jharkhand, northern Odisha and Chhattisgarh are the parts of the Chota Nagpur Plateau. There are many tribal people in this region. The Bhils and Santhals are important tribes. This region is very rich in mineral resources and industries. Coal, iron ore, manganese and mica are the important minerals mined here. There are a number of industrial towns like Dhanbad, Bokaro, Ranchi and Jamshedpur in this region. The soil is very fertile in this region. Crops like cotton, wheat and jowar are grown here. There are some people who prefer to eat meat also. The men of the region wear dhoti, shirt and a turban, and the women put on ghagra or lehenga and blouse. Let's remember, in desert the life is very tough. There is very little water to support life. Camel is called the ship of the desert. People of desert region are called nomads. The tribals of the Chota Nagpur Plateau region are the Bhils and the Santhals. Words treasure. Spring. A stream of water coming out of the ground. Oasis. A place in the desert where there is some water as well as vegetation. Desert. A flat area with sandy soil and very little rain and vegetation.